Hello sir, this is Adarsh Sharma, roll number 20 MA 10005. In this lecture, in this video, I have made a sword which was used for submission of assignment 2 week 3 in DIY project. So first, basically, I have created this sword using various operations. It include a pad operation which I have used to create this handle. After that, along with this handle, I have created this part, this upper part of the handle, also with the in continuation, and then I have used a pad operation to complete make it a complete solid, and then I have used a fillet operation to make the handle get smooth, to make it hold easily. After that, I have created this bottom cap of the handle using bottom cap of the handle using pad operation, where basically I have created a circle, and then I have made a complete solid of it using pad operation. Then I have created this blade using, and again using pad operation, where I have used I have created this shape using lines, and then I have used pad operation of particular thickness. Basically the thickness is very small, as you can see, uh, and using this I have created this blade, and then I have meshed this and meshed this all, and then I have saved this as an STL file, and after saving this as STL file, I have opened Cura, and I've opened this thing all this file also, and then I have laid this sword flat on the this sword left flat on the surface using this lay flat option. Then basically I have changed the settings in order to make the timing of the time to take the printing get less than 4 hours. Basically I have made the infill density as 100. I have made profile as draft print, and the layer thickness is less than 2 meter, 0.2 mm, and the printing speed is have made it as 55 millimeter per second, which is less than 60 millimeter per second, which was asked in the assignment. So after doing all this, basically also I have made the temperature as printing temperature as 205 and build plate temperature as 60 degrees Celsius. After doing all these settings, I have got that my timing that will take place is 30 minute. Also my dimensions are within the limit, which was 150 into 150 into 150 mm, and my dimension are 35.4 into 128.8 into 8.1 mm, which is way under the specified limit. So basically using all this thing, I have created this, and then finally I have saved this as a file, as a G code. They save this G code, and that's how I have got this project done, this assignment done. Thank you, sir.